Welcome back. I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
And we're done. Our 11th property, Khalifa, is complete and ready for sale. Over the course of 3 days, we staged this property, which is obviously my favorite part, and I don't like any suggestions.
No. If I even look at a piece of furniture, sometimes she'll be like, no. In fact, I don't even want this anymore.
Also, I like being alone during this process, which wasn't the case for this house. We made friends with almost all the neighbors on the street, which randomly have children about the same age as ours, which means we're always surrounded by them, and we had occasional play dates. Excellent way to spend the time when you stage the house. But the furniture and some of the accessories become ad hoc toys. We made quite a few memories.
Yes, we did.
I love the gold, yellow, and black we chose for the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. The master bedroom has a blue and Bordeaux theme, while the bathroom is green, white, and black. The hallway bathroom has the beautiful butterflies wallpaper. And in the kids' bedroom, my favorite is the creative and play area that James built and painted himself. And here, the third bedroom, probably my favorite, with pink, black, and white.
The courtyard leads to the ADU, which has a very spacious kitchen and dining area. Isabel did a great job designing the large bedroom with black, white, and blue tones, which go great with the gorgeous bathroom that she also designed. The ADU also has a bonus of a private patio and a large backyard, which are great for throwing a barbecue or for the dog to run around in. And a bonus, a lot of us have learned how to work from home during this pandemic. As soon as we bought this house, I knew that the detached garage was going to make a perfect home office. So we insulated it, put up paneling, and left the beautiful rafters open, and it's a wonderful home office.
What a wonderful journey has been to build and remodel this home. We learned so much by adding 1,100 square feet to a 526 square foot home. We're ready to put Khalifa on the market and pass it to loving folk that would take care of it and love it just like we did. Thank you for following our trials and joys in building this home, and we look forward to sharing with you our new property.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. In the meantime, check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook.
Bye.
Bye-bye.